Hello and welcome to the notes on substitution. Substitution is a strategy that we use when we are solving systems of equations. This is for standard A5C. A system of equations, linear equations, is when one or more functions are graphed on the coordinate plane. The solution to a system of equations is the coordinate point where the lines intersect at. There's two ways to solve a system of linear equations, and they are elimination and substitution. And so if we're given a problem like this one here on the right, we could use either of these to solve it. In order to use substitution, we need to be able to solve for a variable. So we know that we can rewrite an equation in terms of a variable. In terms of means we solve for or isolate the variable on one side of the equation. For example, let's solve in terms of x. If we have the equation 3x plus 4y equals 12, I could subtract the 4y's and then divide by 3 to get x equals 12 minus 4y divided by 3. So that would be solving for in terms of x. We need to do this because these steps for substitution, the very first step is to solve for the x variable in the first equation. Once we know the x variable, we can substitute the value of x into the second equation and simplify. That's going to allow us to solve for the y variable to find the value of y as a number. And then we'll plug that value into either equation and use that to solve for x. Our last step, as always, is to write our answer as a coordinate point.